Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to share with you how to get HTTP status codes in bulk, no matter if you have 2, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, or even 100,000 URLs in Excel very easily without knowing any code, writing code, or doing anything difficult or engineering or programming wise. I'm going to share my screen and share exactly how I do it. So the first thing we're going to be doing is using a platform called Apify. Apify is a platform that crawls the web and gets information for you so you can download it in Excel. In our case, we're going to get HTTP status codes, but Apify can do many other things. I built a custom app called the Simple HTTP Status Code Checker, which what you can do is specify URLs, and you'll get an export for the URLs you want, the status codes, and if they are 301 or 302 redirects, you will also get the URL it is redirecting to. It's very, very simple, and I'll show you exactly how to use it. You can set it up within seconds. First thing you want to do is, if you don't have an Apify account, just register. You'll get $5 for free. What I'm going to be doing is going to the Apify App Store and searching for the Simple HTTP Status Code Checker. I'm going to try it out for free, and I'm going to run it. Once you set it up, you'll have the page right here. All you have to do is go to the Input tab and specify all of the URLs you want to scan for. You can add them one by one by clicking on Add, or what I like to do is click on Bulk Edit and add them row by row, just copy paste into the box right here and clicking on Set. Once it's ready, all you have to do is click on Start and just wait between a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on how many URLs you have. In our case, we just ran 6 URLs only, so it just took a few seconds, and I can look at the results right below, or what I like to do is click on Export and export it to CSV, and then I like to open it in Google Sheets or Excel. I clicked on Download, and then I just opened it, and you have the export results right here. It's very easy. It's very easy to use. Again, you can do 1, 10, 100, 1,000, even a million URLs. This app does have a cost to it. It is per 1,000 results or 1,000 URLs, it costs $1. But if you are using the free Apify plan, you'll get $5 for free, meaning you can run up to 5,000 URLs. If you did like this video in any way, please try out the Apify app, and please like, subscribe, and share with anybody that is relevant. Much, much appreciated. Thanks.